So I got 2 final principles that now guide me in everything that I do. They now guide me in everything that I do, and I want to share them with you. The first one is it's not about perfection, it's about progression. It's not about perfection, it's about progression. Listen, the stars are not going to align. Money is not gonna fall on your head. If you wanna create results, you gotta go create the results. You have to make progress in what you're doing. Stop waiting for things to be perfect in your life. They never will be. Perfect is a made-up state. Progress is where you're actually starting to move forward. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. So here's a simple formula that I learned from my dad that I want to share with you. And I've put 2 of his famous formulas together to make this ultimate success formula for you. So it goes like this. First you learn, then you do, take some actions. Then you get some feedback. What worked? What didn't? Then you correct from what worked and what didn't. And then you continue it and you do it again. Learn, do, correct, continue. Learn, do, correct, continue. Rinse and repeat. And then you never, ever, ever give up. And that's how you're going to succeed. Learn, do, correct, and continue. So that's the first one. That helps me move forward, right? That helps me move forward and to progress in what I'm doing. The second one, and this is something that I actually learned on a podcast recently. Podcasts are great. From Ryan Serrant, very big time $1 million listing from New York. Anyone know who he is? He's awesome. The way that he said this struck me like so deep into my heart. And it really changed the way that I showed up, and I showed up every single day from now on. He said, show up for Ryan 2030. So for me, show up for Jesse 2030. And I want you to be thinking about that. You're not showing up for you today. You're showing up for you in 10 years from now. You can either show up for yourself and say, dang, I'm so proud of the person that I was and am today to move forward. And I'm looking back and like, you rock this. I'm present with my son or my daughter and my wife. I am here, I'm engaged, I'm practicing, I'm giving it my all, I'm going all in and nothing stopped me. Or the opposite, you could show up in 2030 and have regrets. So the way that I make my decisions now is Jesse 2030, will you be proud? Or Jesse 2030, will you have regrets? So I want you to put your name, will, name, 2030 be proud. I want to see it. Will your name 2030 be proud? Number 1, they will definitely be proud that you're here today. You're doing an amazing job just being here, engaged. The amount of people that are here compared to the world, like you are rock stars already, but it doesn't stop here. This is like the beginning part of it, right? We got to keep the momentum going. And so will you be proud in 2030? So you're going to have a decision. The decision is, are you going to go to the World Summit? Are you going to get immersed in here so that what you spend here is going to immerse yourself to actually put into action for your practice room that you need to do? Go from the classroom to the practice room so that you crush it on the performance. Are you going to be proud of making that decision? Or are you going to look at 2030 and be like, dang, I should have took Dean up on that special deal and got all those amazing bonuses, right? So I want you to show up for yourself in 2030. Show up for yourself in 2030.